I gave the new GPT-4 vision model this screenshot of a SaaS dashboard, and I asked it basically to break this down into components and write all the code. So I went through all the files, I pasted all the code in, right, all this code here, and out came this. This was a first pass, which was pretty remarkable here. I'm actually zoomed out just a little bit so you can see the full thing, but you can see this was the actual screen grab here from a design on Dribble, so shout out this guy. But if I go back up to 75% here, you can see there's a lot of things it gets right that are pretty impressive just from that screenshot. So let's go side to side really quick because I actually want to kind of compare these against each other. Okay, so on the right here, you can see we've got sort of this menu here with all of these drop down or all these menu options. Okay, it got all of those right. Obviously the styles are different, but it got all of those right. It actually copied like the exact copy from the example here, right? You're getting the same number, the prop, it's getting, you know, sales report. You can see like where calendar and download are. It's a little different with like emojis, but this is where it gets really impressive, right? You see like the user activity charts here. The numbers aren't right, but you can see that like it actually did the double bar chart here. It did the countries. You can see the countries are the same, which is pretty incredible. The top selling items here, even it actually got that data. And like, I really want you to appreciate like all of this data in the table is actually 100% correct, which is pretty nuts. And then of course we got even a line chart here. So again, like, you know, you can get really nitpicky here and go, yeah, well, like this isn't kind of a one-for-one example. But considering I did not edit the code at all, this was a first pass. People are going to get better at prompting this. People are going to iterate on this. There are going to be a lot better ways to actually, you know, take this image and, you know, turn it into working code. So for just feeding that raw image in, giving it this extremely, extremely simple prompt and just, you know, copy and pasting the spec and the code right into my editor and literally just loading it up and seeing what was in here. That's pretty nuts.